When you ask Eva to create a nice mer person, this is what you get. A Halloween style mermaid. And if you want to know how to create it, please keep watching because we will show you step by step in this video. Step 1 is put in some awesome sclera contacts, and once they are in, we have white face paint to create the base of this makeup. So just the face and the neck as well. And once the white is on there, we continue to a black star blend by Meron. So the star blend is used to put some basic shadows on the skin today because, well, Eva has got a different technique to put more shadows in a bit. So the nose, under the cheekbone, under the jawbone, and just the inner corner of the eye. And once they are on there, we have some nice fishnet stockings and a metallic black face paint to put more shadows in and at the same time create that mermaid texture on the skin. A bit of green as well to create the mer effect, and look at how beautiful that is on her skin. So back to the same texture on the neck, and once that is done, we have a black pencil liner by Meron to outline the lips, because our evil mermaid of course needs some black lipstick. And look at that gorgeous lace fronted wig onto some mouth stains in black by Makeup for Film and Television. And that colors the inside of your mouth black. So that looks very scary. Finally, some fake teeth Eva created herself using the polymorph plastic we sell at our store. And with that, our Evil Mermaid Face Paint tutorial is done. Well, we really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay tuned on all our videos.